So when you're preparing financials and when you're doing the accounts, the first thing you would be doing is reconciling the bank. The reason we do the bank reconciliation is because if the opening balance doesn't match, like what you have in the beginning doesn't match, then this would stuff up everything. So yeah, so the first thing you do is reconciling the opening balance. So you reconcile bank first and then put in the transactions and then adjust journals. So let's say your opening balance, so what you had in 2018 was $50, and from MRV it says we had $20. Then everything that comes through, it wouldn't matter, even if they match, even if they are equal, it will be out by $30. That's why we need to reconcile bank. And in order to do that, we just look at what the previous year did and see why there was some missing transactions that we haven't posted, incurred, you know. Basically, you're using this MRB software to prepare a balance sheet, right? So what you have here must equal to this, you know. This is like we're transferring data from bank to MRB so that we can prepare a balance sheet. This is like an example that I found from internet. Well, this is kind of like bank statement. You've seen your bank statement, right? Like there's opening amount there, and then you've used your money, you spent your money, so you minus that, and then you have deposits and other credits, so you plus that, and then it becomes your ending balance, closing balance. And then there are other stuff like credit note, or there might have been some adjustments that you have forgot to put in, so you just chuck it in the, you know, bottom line, and then reconcile, match the balance, closing balance, to your bank statement. So if you want to do that, then in MRB you go to the bank transaction, then you select on the cash account that you want to work on. So you have bank account set up so that you can always input like CSV file there, so you always manually put it in. Or there's another way where you can just use data feed, so you link the bank account with this MRB software or any other software, so that when the transactions happen, that automatically links. Well, there was automatic link there, so you don't have to always import data and all that kind of stuff. So if you're using an online platform, of course it's better to do data feed because you don't have to work extra to... Yeah, but I don't think that's the important part here. So the important part will be that after you have reconciled the opening balances, now the crucial part will be allocating these transactions to correct accounts.